Let's go. Ramadan Mubarak. We will make you turn on it here. Okay. Control, this is BG. Control BG 47121. Expo City will become a community soon, like a residential city. That's why we are inviting all people to buy a property. Because soon they will build a school, hospital, supermarket, all are here like a community. Okay? So if you want to watch the Canyon Show, also Canyon Show is happening to the metro side. That's why most of the people are coming. Most of the people are coming to watch the Canyon Show. Because this event is high Ramadan. So once the Ramadan finish, it will be finished also. And then by 6:30 we have Al-Wasal 2, we have LED show at Al-Wasal 2. Canon din, sir. You start to fire by around 6:20 to 6:30. So if you have time, if you want to watch the Canyon Show, you can go here. This is the signal that the iftar started. Metro side, sir. Thank you.
Much.
Have a nice day. See you around. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you around. Okay. Thank you for helping.
Yeah, with them.